Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? So, I've got a video that you don't have to listen to 2 hours, 1 minute and 3 seconds of the video that Sarah Westall did with Clif on March the 3rd. So full disclosure, I'm not familiar with Sarah Westall. I don't know what kind of YouTube channel she has. She's got a lot of followers. And I actually listened, yes, I listened to the entire 2 hour, 1 minute, and 3 second video. But I wanted to break down 3 parts of the video that you may be interested in. So if you don't like Clif High, don't put nasty comments in the comment box below. Just don't click on the video, okay? How about that? So this really took me by surprise. Start at the 11-minute 30-second mark. 11-minute 30-second mark. Clip talks about Bitcoin replacing the Fed. I'm like, whoa. Again, interesting comment. At the 56-minute mark, he talks a little bit about the next 18 months moving forward. And if you're still watching this video, at the 1 hour 25-minute mark, 1 hour 25-minute mark, he talks about the months of May and June. So first stop off is 11-minute 30 seconds. He said Bitcoin's going to replace the Fed. The second stop off point is 56 minutes. He talks about the next 18 months. And the third and last is an hour and 25 minutes, hour and 25-minute mark. He talks about the months of May and June. So again, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just telling you what I watched the other night and thought you might be interested. For those of you that follow and like Clip High, let me know what you think. Love y'all. Bye-bye.